What is up, guys? And we were having a video tutorial. I hope you like it. Let's go!
First method, converting or terminating decimal to a fraction. Example given is 0.55 or 55 hundredths. First step is we turn 0.55 into a fraction, which is 55 over 1. Then we multiply both by 100. Making 55 over 100. We divide both sides by 5. And it will be equals to 11 over 20, which means 0.55 or 55 hundredths is equals to 11 over 20.
Method number 2. Converting repeating decimal into a fraction. So the given example is 0.6 bar line or 6/10 bar line or 0 and 6,667 ten-thousandths. 6,667 ten-thousandths times 10 equals 6 and 667 thousandths. 10x equals to 6 and 667 thousandths. 10x minus x equals 6 and 667 thousandths minus 667 thousandths. 10x minus x is equal to 9x. Then 6 and 667 thousandths minus 667 thousandths is equals to 6. So the answer is 9x equals to 6. Divide both sides by 9. So 9x over 9 is equals to x, and 6 over 9 is equals to 6 over 9. So simplify it, then the answer will be 2 over 3.
First method, using long division. Given example is 3 over 4. So 3 divide 4. 3 divide 4 is 0. So we should put decimal point beside 3. Also, we should put decimal point on top of the decimal point. Then add 0. 30 divide 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. 2 divide 4 cannot be. So we should put another 0 and bring down 0. 20 divide 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So the answer is 3 over 4 is equals to 75 hundredths.
Method number 2. Dividing a fraction with an answer of repeating decimal. So our given is 1 over 3. So 1 divided by 3 is 0. So we should put a decimal point on the quotient and also on the divisor. So then we should add 0 so that we can divide 10 and 3. So 10 divided by 3 is equals to 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then add 0 again so that we can divide the divisor and the dividend. So 10 divided by 3 is 3 again. Then 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. And add another 0. 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. So the answer is repeating, so that the answer is 0 and 3/10 bar line.
Method number 3, using multiplication. Our given is 3 over 5. So we multiply 3 over 5 by 2. So the answer is 6 over 10. Then 6 divided 10 equals to 0, 0 and 6/10. The answer is 0 and 6/10.